In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Google Play Store application on your Android phone. On your Android phone, open your Google Play Store application. So I'm going to open it right now. So on your Google Play Store application, tap on your profile icon at the top right section of the page. So tap on your profile icon and you select settings. Under settings, select about. Here you're going to select or tap on update Play Store. So I'm going to tap on update Play Store. You can see that Google Play Store is up to date, so you can tap understood. But in case your Google Play Store is not up to date, your Play Store will start updating automatically. So you don't need to do anything after pressing the Play Store. It will start the update automatically. So guys, that's how to update your Google Play Store on your Android phone. In case this video helped you, which I believe you did, kindly support this video with a like and also subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in my next video.